it's first important to learn how to use it, to be able to develop the best software, to know how people really use it. And it's very good to see examples.
This is my second year now.
Yeah.
I think it's cool. I've used ANSYS fluid dynamics part of it, not especially topology optimization. It's nice, and I've seen the recent versions. It's growing. It's been made really good for user interface. I hope I'll use this tool a lot in future.